Okay, class, I just realized that Notepad++ was not deployed, and I realized why. So I'm going to go to the SCCM machine. I'm going to go to my Config Manager console. I just want to point out another change I made. We'll try to figure this out. Guys, I went in here under Properties, and I got rid of the x86 in the name, and also here. Because this isn't just deploying the x86 version, it's deploying all versions. So I changed this name just to read like this. I got rid of the x86 here and here. So what we need to do is we need to install a software catalog, an application catalog. It's a system role. Because that's not installed, this isn't actually deploying the software. So I'm going to go to Administration, go to Servers and Site System Roles, right click, Add Site and System Roles. Go away to the System Roles section and choose the top two items, Application Catalog Web Service Point and Application Catalog Website Point. Click Next. The default website is going to be fine. That'll be the application name for one. This will be the application name for another. That's important, so we want to make note of that name. Next, we can put our organization name here. Change the color if you want of the website. The next thing we need to do is let all of our clients know to use that website. So we go to Client Settings, go to Properties, under Computer Agent, we need to specify that website. I'm just going to use the fully qualified domain name. Also, while I'm here, I'm going to Software Center. We can change this name to read our organization's name. We can do that right here. And click OK. Until we have that configured, we won't be able to deploy any software. It might take a few minutes for the client to get that information. It's not updated just yet. You can go to the control panel and force that to be reread. But if I go to my client now, we can't use Edge. We have to use Internet Explorer. If I knew how to get to it. And we can go to that website now. CM Application Catalog. It might take a minute for the website to actually be built. it's still, the website is still being built. So give it a few minutes. Oh, there it is. And pretty soon our application will show up here. And there it is. Highlight it and click install. Or if you go to the Software Center, you can search, at least in old versions, you're able to search for it. This used to be able to search for the other thing, but I think we still have the old settings. Do you notice how I had to sign in? If you want to avoid signing in, what you can do is on the SCCM in the client settings, under computer agent, we can add it as a trusted site. Again, you have to give it a few minutes for the client to get these new settings, but you shouldn't have to sign in. But again, if you want, click install, and it's going to do the installation. Okay, so I'm still having to wait for my client settings to get updated. So just give it a little bit of time. You should be able to click install and you should be good to go. Again, you can try to force it using control panel to update all your settings. Okay, I'm going to close this video now and give it some time to work itself out. Thank you.